everyone, this is Gay Esser from RegDesk. Let's take a look at our top global regulatory updates for the week. Our first alert is from Korea, where there is draft guidance to medical device good manufacturing practice or GMP standards. This draft aims to rationalize the GMP conformity assessment system. Key changes include introducing priority review for essential and innovative devices, simplifying assessments for contract manufacturing sites to avoid repetitive audits, and clarifying the scope of on-site inspections and certificate validity during combined audits. Our second alert is from Singapore, where there is guidance on preparation of a product registration submission for general medical devices. Product registration applications for medical devices must be submitted online to HSA via the Singapore Health Product Access and Regulatory e-System, or SHARE, and the technical dossier and supporting documents must be submitted in soft copy in SHARE. Our third alert is from Brazil, where ANVISA has unified petition codes for Brazil Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP certificates, for medical devices. This aims to streamline regulatory processes, enhancing efficiency and improving clarity. Our fourth alert is from Argentina. ANMAT continues to make progress in harmonizing regional regulations and technical updates. They have addressed issues related to the harmonization of regional regulations, technical updates, and the strengthening of regulatory capacities of the bloc's health authorities. Thank you for joining us. You can stay updated with RegDesk for your most important regulatory news. This is Gay Esser with your global regulatory updates.